How can legal strategies differ in car accidents involving inadequate warning for steep grades in Tennessee? Car accidents involving inadequate warning for steep grades in Tennessee present specific legal challenges that require tailored strategies. Here's a guide on how legal strategies can differ in such cases. 1. Investigate road conditions. Conduct a thorough investigation into the road conditions, focusing on the steep grade where the accident occurred. Document any lack of warning signs, road markings, or other factors that contributed to the inadequate warning for the steep grade. 2. Identify responsible parties. Determine the entities responsible for road maintenance and signage. This may involve government agencies, municipalities, or private entities. Identifying the responsible parties is crucial for establishing liability. 3. Compliance with safety standards. Assess whether the lack of warning for the steep grade complies with safety standards and regulations. Non-compliance may strengthen the case for liability. Familiarize yourself with relevant safety guidelines applicable to road signage in Tennessee. 4. Consult road design experts. Consult with road design and safety experts to evaluate whether the road conditions met industry standards. Their expertise can provide insights into whether inadequate warning contributed to the accident. 5. Eyewitness testimonies. Gather eyewitness testimonies regarding the presence or absence of warning signs for the steep grade. Eyewitness accounts can provide critical perspectives on the role of inadequate warning in causing or exacerbating the collision. 6. Evaluate comparative negligence. Consider the potential role of comparative negligence. In Tennessee, if the injured party is found partially at fault, their compensation may be reduced. Assess whether the lack of warning signs contributed to the accident and if the injured party exercised reasonable care. 7. Documentation of injuries. Document injuries resulting from the car accident involving inadequate warning for steep grades. Medical records, photographs of injuries, and estimates for vehicle repairs are crucial for establishing the impact of the inadequate warning on the victims. 8. Legal research. Conduct legal research to understand precedents and relevant laws in Tennessee. Familiarize yourself with cases that involve inadequate road warnings and explore how courts have interpreted liability in similar situations. 9. Environmental factors. Consider environmental factors that may have influenced the need for adequate warning signs, such as weather conditions, visibility, or time of day. These factors can contribute to the overall assessment of liability. 10. Expert testimonies. Engage expert witnesses, such as road safety professionals or accident reconstruction specialists, to provide testimonies. Their expertise can help clarify technical aspects and establish a connection between the inadequate warning and the accident. 11. Legal representation for victims. Provide legal representation for victims affected by the car accident involving inadequate warning for steep grades. Advocate for compensation for injuries, medical expenses, and other losses resulting from the inadequate road signage. 12. Negotiation and litigation. Engage in negotiation with responsible parties or their insurance carriers. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, be prepared for litigation. A strong legal case will support your efforts in seeking justice for the victims impacted by inadequate warning for steep grades. By tailoring legal strategies to the specific challenges of car accidents involving inadequate warning for steep grades in Tennessee, attorneys can effectively navigate the complexities and pursue justice for the affected parties.